Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and this is the new series which I have started, and this one is about SolidWorks drawing. Uh, if you already watched my videos, you know that this is my second series. The first one is about SolidWorks tutorials, in which I make different parts from the drawings and make 3D models of them. And in this series, I will make 2D drawings of most of the models from the first series. Okay, let's get started. This one is the first part of uh, which I have made in SolidWorks. So let's make the 2D drawing of this part. For that, go to File and click on Make Drawing from Part. It's asking about there's drawing file with the same name. You want to open that file? No, I want to open a new file. So if you click on this option here, you will only see the standard sheet size. If you uncheck it, you will see a lot of sizes. So let's go with the A4 landscape. Click on this one, and this one is sheet size, and this one is the preview of the sheet. You can also add a custom sheet. Click on this one and add size. uh, let's go with the standard size. Okay, you can see this is the default. From here, this is the view palette. You can click on this one for the view palette. If you I have opened only one part, so that's why it's showing only one part. If you have multiple parts open in SolidWorks, all of them are shown here. Okay, you can also import annotations if you have added them on the SolidWorks part. So for the drawing, just click any of the view and drag it on the sheet and release the mouse key button. Okay, you will see that there's a projected view here option, and if you drag your mouse to the right, left, top, bottom, you will see all the views accordingly. So if you add other views, just click on the left mouse button to add them, and then click on the tick. Press F key to zoom fit your sheet on the screen. Okay, I want to resize this view. This is the parent view. All other views are generated from this view. So if I change the size of this view, all of them will be scaled up and down accordingly. So click on the view. You will see the option here, drawing view 1. This is the front view. You can also change the other views from here. I'll talk about other options in the later videos. For now, just stay on the basics. So for this, to change the size, just click on the scale. If you click on the drop down, you can change the size from here, or you can also enter the custom size by this. I think this looks good. Click on the tick and just resize your sorry, reposition your parent view and change other views accordingly. You will see that the other views have limited motion because they are dependent on the parent view. If you want to break this alignment, just click on the other view and go to alignment and break alignment. Now you will see that this part moves sorry, this view moves freely. To add alignment again, you can also click on the alignment and align vertical by origin, I think by center, and click on this view. So they are aligned. You have to drag it. Sorry. Oh, sorry, I think they are not. And they are aligned. I have aligned them the wrong way. I have to click on the vertical by vertical by center and click on this view. Okay, this looks good. Okay, so to add dimension, just go to annotations, smart dimensions, and let's drag it a bit. Okay, sometimes when you click on the mouse, when you click on the view and drag it, you'll see this like here. So just press Alt on your keyboard and then drag the view. It will move accordingly. Okay, let's add some dimensions. Smart dimensions. Click on the circle and the edge. The dimension will automatically add it. You can see this option. If you it will automatically place your dimension accordingly. And this one, click on the line to add dimension. Click on the radius. Click on the circle. You can also change it later on. Add this dimension. Similarly, add this one here. This one, add the cut dimension. Okay, I think most of the dimensions are covered. I want to make them like this. Click on all three radius and circular dimension. Go to ladders, draw, click on the custom text position and then click on broken ladder. This one looks a bit professional. Okay, I think all the dimensions are covered. You can also change the display style by clicking on the view, and from here hidden lines, solid lines and hidden lines removed, also shaded with edges. I think I should add an isometric view so that how it will look when it will be finalized. Okay, that's all for today's video. Thank you very much. If you learned something new, like this video, subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends who wants to learn about SolidWorks. Thank you very much.